Visual Paradigm Online's AI tool can help you to generate and refine sequence diagrams. In Workspace, press the Create with AI button. Find the Sequence Diagram Refinement tool and press Start Now to open it. Here is the sequence diagram in PlantUML. Copy the code and paste on the online tool. Press Render Diagram button to render it into diagram. Here is the diagram generated from PlantUML diagram code. You can export the generated diagram in SVG format and further edit the diagram by opening it in VP Online. Save the diagram in your workspace for future use. Besides import the diagram from PlantUML, we can also refine it with the AI engine. Back to the AI tool, press the Decompose Layers button. The AI engine will then analyze your diagram and helps to find out the view and model objects. We can then press the Generate Detailed Diagram button to let the AI engine generate the detailed sequence diagram for you. Again, you can export the diagram in SVG format and further edit it by opening it in Visual Paradigm Online. The original diagram and the refined diagram can be saved separately.